is Julia Posted, and this is an overview of the app Seesaw. Seesaw is a tool that can be used in school, specifically grades K through 6, that uses learning, assessment, and communication between parents, family members, and students. It's also great for adding technology into your classroom experience. Some activities that you can find within Seesaw are going to be on your home page, and you will select your grade level while creating an account. So the activities will be for that. You're going to pick out the activities that relate to your class, and then if you can't find one that fits your topic, you can create one, which is seen in this picture right here. In your class, you can create assignments, add your students, and assign activities for completion or classwork. Or you can host an in-class lesson where they won't have to do anything after. You can also use the Explore page to find other activities or collections like character building, science lessons, math, or daily routines, anything like that. You can search by subject matter, grade, or standards, or even curriculum based on whatever your class needs are. Seesaw also has a messaging system where you can send out announcements to family members, students, or both at the same time, and send out reminders for field trips or in-class assignments or lessons that we've done or things that kids need to work on at home. And it is safe because families cannot reply to you if you don't message them first. In your own classroom, you can use the lessons to integrate technology into your classroom, get students interested at working on learning at home because the activities are fun and engaging, and you can make your own activity or game for the class that you think they will like because you know your students the best. If you have any questions, you can always use the Help Center, which is on the menu on the left of Seesaw, and it'll take you to the Help Center where you can search with network issues or if you forgot your password or you need help setting up a class. Now I will show you how to actually navigate the website. So when you go into Seesaw, you just search the website Seesaw, it'll come up for you, and then you create an account, and after you've selected your class and what grade area you're teaching, you go in and you can either post to your journal, which is photos of you or your class that you can show to parents that's like showing off your class or your class works that they've done for the day, which I think is really cool. You can create your own activity. You can message announcements, group, or one-on-one. So that's right there. So when you scroll down on the homepage, they're going to pop up with things that you might like for your classroom. And then it's going to have your class below and then some resources for teachers, which is also really great. The next tab is going to be your Explore page. So you can go to your community or you can just go to the regular Seesaw library where it's going to have anything like any subject matters that you might be teaching. And then you can customize it through grade level or standards, which is also really cool. And you can just scroll down and see everything that your class would need. In my own library, these are the ones that I've saved so far and things that I like for my class and I think we're working on. Right, and then the messaging system is next on the menu. Here you can create a message, you can do announcements or a one-on-one conversation. So we'll do announcements and then you're going to add either families or students. So if I wanted, my students would be in kindergarten, so we'll do families. And then you'll just type the message here and then it'll announce to all the parents who are enrolled in your class, which is also really cool. So this is where my class is at, and then in your journal, this is where your photos and everything's going to go. And then this is where activities are. So these are all the ones that I've assigned, which we'd probably do most of them in class, but you could see where kids have completed it or not, and then where I've checked it or not started it at all. And then you can use it as a grade book as well. And they'll also send you notifications if you need to know anything. But overall, I think Seesaw is a great app that you can integrate into your classroom, and I think it could be really helpful to students and teachers as well.